Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. Students, today date is 7th December 2020 and according to the new date and new day, so students we will do the new topic that is about exercise number 20 which is linked with unit number 4. In exercise number 20 you have given the statement write the following to fraction. You have given these one the percentages and you will change it into the fraction. So students, if you want to change this percentage into the fraction, what should you do? You know that we remove this percentage sign and write the denominator 100. All these one you will do the same work in these percentages and it will change into the fraction. 39 by 100. 76 by 100, 230 by 100 and 200 by 100. Students, look at these. You know that I have removed this sign and I will use here the 100 in all the questions. Now these percentages are changes into the fractions. Now the next one they said that in the lowest term, fraction must be in the lowest term. What is the word meaning of lowest term? Lowest means low, means you have given the fraction in a very low form, means it is not divisible by the same number. Students, इस लोएस्ट टर्म का मतलब है कि आप लोगों ने जो आपकी फ्रैक्शन है आपने उसको लो करना है, मींस आपने देखना है कि उसका न्यूमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों जो हैं वो कौन से सिमिलर नंबर से जो है वो डिवाइड होते हैं. अगर तो वो डिवाइड होते हैं तो आपने डिवाइड करके उनको लो करना है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन. Like this, student, you have given 25 and 100. As in this fraction, this is ended with 5, unit is 5 and this is ended with 0. Both the numbers are divisible by 5. दोनों नंबर्स जो हैं वो डिवाइड हो रहे हैं किस पर? 5 पर. तो मैं इनको कर देती हूँ, 5 पर डिवाइड कर देती हूँ. 5 के टेबल में 25 कहाँ आता है? एट द 5. एंड 5 के टेबल में 100 कहाँ आता है? एट 20. Same again we have given the fraction this is low, but the lowest term means they doesn't divide with the same number, but 5 and 20 both are again divisible by 5. So I will again divide it with 5. When I will divide 5 with 5 it gives the answer 1. 5 के टेबल में 20 कहाँ पर आता है बेटा? 4 पर. So this is the answer. Why this is the lowest term? इसको हम lowest term क्यों कहेंगे? क्योंकि 1 और 4 दोनों एक ही टेबल पर डिवाइड नहीं होते. सेम लाइक दिस स्टूडेंट्स वी विल डू दिस वन. 45 and 100. It is ended with 5 and it is ended with 0. Both the numbers are again divisible by 5. So when we divide these numbers, it gives the answer. 5 के टेबल में 49, 5 कहाँ पर आता है? It on the 9. And 5 के टेबल में 100 कहाँ पर आता है? At 20. 5, 20. Now this is 9 and 20. Now there is no any table that divides 9 and 20. So it is called the lowest term of this fraction. कोई भी नंबर ऐसा नहीं है, कोई भी टेबल ऐसा नहीं है जो 9 को और 20 को तो एक दोनों को डिवाइड करें. अगर 9 3 के टेबल पे जाता है तो 23 के टेबल में नहीं जाता. अगर 22 के टेबल पे जाता है तो 9 2 के टेबल पर नहीं जाता. सेम लाइक दिस स्टूडेंट्स, यू विल नॉट सॉल्व दिस वन. दिस इज द आंसर. दिस इज द लोएस्ट टर्म. नाउ लुक एट दिस. दिस इज 39 and this is 100. It is ended with 9 and it is ended with 0. So this one is divisible by 2. This is also divisible by 5. This is also divisible by 10. But you know that 39 is divisible by 3. Same numbers table is not given to us for these two ones, so that's why this is the lowest term. हमें इस क्वेश्चन में लोएस्ट टर्म फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, यही फ्रैक्शन जो है वो लोएस्ट टर्म होगी. नाउ लुक एट दिस. 76 by 100. It is ended with 6, so it is divisible by 2. It is 0, so it is also divisible by 2. So when we divide it, you don't know the table of 2 up to 76. आपको नहीं पता कि 76 कहाँ पर आता है. So I will divide it. When I will divide it, 2 3s are 6. That is nearest to 7. 1 6. It becomes 16. 2 के टेबल में 16 कहाँ आता है? 2 8s are 16. मतलब कि अगर मैं 2 को 76 के साथ 76 को 2 पर डिवाइड करूंगी तो इसका आंसर 38 आता है. एंड इन हेयर 100 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. 2 के टेबल में 100 कहाँ पर आएगा? तो जब मैं इसको डिवाइड करूंगी 2 5s are 10. नाउ आई विल टेक हियर 0. नाउ 2 zeros are 0. So the answer is 50. I will write here 50. I hope students you understand this one. Now in the next question, in the next step students, it is ended with 8 and it is ended with 0. It means it is also divisible by 2 again and it is also divisible by 2. So I will divide it. मैं इन दोनों को फिर से डिवाइड करूंगी. अब जब मैं इन दोनों को डिवाइड करूंगी तो 38 को 2 के साथ डिवाइड करूंगी. 2 1s are 2. 1 is remaining. 8 is taking here. It becomes 18. 2 9s are 18. क्या आंसर आया है इसका? 19 आया. So I will write here 19 and the answer of 50 is. अब मैं 50 को भी 2 पर डिवाइड करूंगी. जब मैं 50 को 2 पर डिवाइड करूंगी तो 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. 0 here. Now 2 5s are 10. Answer क्या आया? 25. So I will take here 25. Students, when I divide 38 with 2, then it gives the answer 19. And when I divide 50 with 2, then it gives the answer 25. Now look at this. This is the 19 and this is 25. This is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 19. No same number is here. कोई सेम टेबल इन दोनों को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकता. So this is the answer. This is the lowest term. Here this number is ended with 0. This number is ended with 0. As the divisibility rule of 10 is the number that is ended with 0 is divisible by 10. आपको पता है कि जिस नंबर के आखिर में 0 है वो 10 पर डिवाइड होता है. So I will directly divide it with 10. When I will directly divide it with 10, 0 यहाँ से हट जाएगा and it gives the answer 23 and it gives 10 10s are 100. So ये 10 आ जाएगा. Now same like this students, this is 23. This is not coming in the table of 2 but 10 is coming in the table of 2. 23 अपने ही टेबल पर आता है. ये दोनों एक ही टेबल पर डिवाइड नहीं होंगे. This is called the lowest term. So this is the answer. Now if we have to find out that these two numbers are also divisible by the same number, which number? 200 is also divisible by 100 and 100 is also divisible by 100. अगर आप इसको चाहो तो आप इसको पहले 10 से भी डिवाइड कर सकते हो. ठीक है. तो जब मैं अगर फॉर एग्जांपल मैं इसको 10 से डिवाइड करती हूँ 200 को तो क्या आंसर आएगा? 10 2s are 20. I will take here 0. 10 zeros are 0. So it gives the answer 20. And when I will divide 100 with 10, then it gives 10. 100 अगर मैं यहाँ लिख दूँ तो 10 के टेबल में 100 कहाँ आएगा? 10 1s are 10. 10 minus 10 0. 10 zeros are 0. So 10 10s are 100 होता है. तो इसकी जगह मैंने क्या लिख दिया? 10. Again these two numbers are divisible by again 10. So I will again divide it with 10. And when I will divide it with 10, it gives the answer 2 and it gives the answer 1. So students, now again they are not divisible by the same number. I hope students you will understand this topic very well and you will do it on your notebook. Goodbye.